Hi everybody, Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and what an awesome boat to take you through today. This here is the Cobalt R4. This boat is inside, in stock, and absolutely phenomenal. Take you through the boat a little bit here. The outside, we got it paired with the custom Heritage tandem axle trailer. Very good looking trailer under this boat. You'll notice the outside of this boat's got that pure white sides, but then we accent it with the beautiful blue and the black bottom. Really gives it a very sharp look. From the exterior standpoint, this boat is obviously full of style. Stainless steel rub rail, beautiful stainless steel framework on the windshield. Just everything about it is classic Cobalt. Let's take a closer look inside. The Cobalt R4 here, it is absolutely stunning inside and out, and we're going to start right back here looking at some features on the swim platform. You do have all the soft tech matting on the floor throughout the boat. You have the patented flip down swim step from Cobalt, making it very easy to get in and out of the water. JL audio, you can see the sound system here extended to the back of the boat. You also have Transom stereo controls on the back. Love all the stainless steel accents, flag holder. You have the solid stainless oversized cleats, fender clips on the outside. You can see we got the battery charger plugged in right now. And this aft section really has a lot of utility. Let's look at some of that. Flip the seat back forward and you got a nice chase lounge. Move it all the way forward and it lays almost nearly flat to give you this big sun island. And if you want to be closer to the action, to the water sports part of it, it does have a flip-up integrated backrest as well, built right into that sun pad. From there, we'll work our way inside the boat. You'll notice a nice big walk-through transom. Very easy to get in and out of this boat. And once you enter the cockpit area, the 8'6" beam and the depth of this boat is certainly noticeable. Work your way around the inside. The fit, finish, and attention to detail surrounds you as you'd expect in a Cobalt. The flip-flop seating here on the port side, flip it forward and you've got this nice aft-facing lounge. Flip the seat backwards and you've got forward-facing seating with a bolster for your passengers. Work your way to the other side of the boat. You've got a small flip-up lounge seat along with this beautiful captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. Love the stainless accents. The quality's amazing and the comfort level is top tier. The dash on the R4 is certainly fitting for Cobalt. This thing is absolutely beautiful. The dual Garmin touchscreens gives you full control of everything in the boat. Easy to use switches, tilt wheel, stereo controls close by. Don't forget the wireless phone charger. Digital throttle and shift in this boat. Just an absolutely beautiful package. Love to point out too that stainless steel windshield frame, and notice how it's designed. It's actually squared off, really opening up the interior of this boat. The rounded windshield frames tend to take away a little bit of your interior. The squared off design really adds interior volume. Work your way over to the port side. You've got a glove box, cup holder, grab rail, easy slide in storage underneath. And from there we can work our way forward where the R4 is incredibly large and beautifully finished in the bow. Notice the beautiful stitch work, the beautiful upholstery work, huge contoured seating in the bow of this boat, multiple cup holders, more of the JL sound. You've got USBs. It is phenomenal. So while we're talking about features in the front of the boat, you do have a nice large anchor storage with a hydraulic strut and stainless steel hardware. And when it comes to storage, the Cobalt R4 is certainly second to none. Take a look at how the entire forward lounge flips up on both sides, giving you these huge storage compartments. You also have on the forward cushion, you can pull it out to have a nice drainable storage cushion as well, or storage compartment, but the storage is incredible. Since we're talking about storage, in-floor storage is incredible on the R4. You've got a forward compartment, all gaskets sealed, held up with a strut. Work your way back and you've got a large in-floor locker again, all gasket sealed, stainless hardware held up with a strut. Nice padding in there to keep it a nice quiet ride, and that is impressive from a storage standpoint. As we continue to talk about storage, take a look under the flip-flop seating, how big and deep this storage compartment is. absolutely incredible. Same right behind it, the flip up seat. Notice the lighting in there. Fire extinguisher mounted to the side, your battery switch, garbage, air compressor along with the ski pylon down in there, but a huge storage area in this R4. As we continue to talk about storage, I mentioned earlier the cooler right behind the driver's seat, all held up with a stainless strut, fully drainable. And as you go through the walk-through transom, a beautiful spot for your lines and fenders. Right behind, again, all strutted, stainless hardware and gasket sealed. So before I leave the interior, a common place that we overlook in a boat is the motor compartment. Nowadays it seems like they're very cramped and very tight. Look at how Cobalt does this. Look at the accessibility, look at the room. Powered by a 6.2 Merc Cruiser, 300 horse with the Bravo 3 drive. You can see the batteries are easy to get to, your trim pump, the built-in battery charger, transducer. This is an amazing motor compartment for a 24-foot boat. So there's a quick little video walkthrough of the Cobalt R4, a boat that I can certainly assure you hangs its hat on everything that Cobalt is all about when it comes to fit, finish, quality, and attention to detail. When it comes to the ride quality, Cobalt certainly has done its best when it comes to making sure that it's the smoothest, quietest, driest riding boat in the industry. The Cobalt R4 is certainly no exception to that. This boat is absolutely amazing on the water and will not disappoint. Again, I am Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Please call, text, or email with any questions. And thank you again and have a great day.